Ooh, nice. Series 1. Neither of them are coming down. Oh, this one's coming now. Going down?
Up.
This is going down.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. It's like she didn't hear me say going down the first time. Wow, these are on their original controllers. Oh my god. Holy crap. And these are neat. I don't know what the hell these are, but these are cool. Well, they're Otis, but I don't know what model. Maybe UAL. Oh, these are hydro? Wait. Oh, wait, no, yeah, these wouldn't be UAL. These are like too new. Strange. These are weird. Oh, the ghost must have pushed the out button. Holy crap, these are, wait, what the oh yeah, these are 7th floor. I thought these were 9th floor for a second. I was like, holy crap. Oh my god, these things are shaking. Or this thing. I can't speak for the other one. Whoa. These ride rough. Alright, back down a lot. Whoa. Holy crap. I bet this thing probably used to be a Lexan. Got modded pretty early on.